morning, good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Nagtatago yung aking sa likod. Say good morning to my live. Just say good morning. We are going to a fair. Yung aking driver is nakasimangot. Naka-filter tayo ha. Peke yan ha. Kasi yung tulog ko is mga 3 oras lang siguro. Ginising ako at aalis. Hi Jonathan, good morning. Thank you for watching. Nag-live lang ako, papunta kaming fair. Hello, wow. Apple Jane Rito, thank you for watching. Yung inyong mga hindi ko na-send kanina, yung mga panalo nyo.